Are you interested in being a YouTube creator? Maybe you want to use your voice to spread a message, or you want to teach people how to do something. Maybe you love gaming, beauty, or fitness. Or you could just want to show people your life and build a community. Whatever your passion is, creating on YouTube allows you to connect with viewers around the world. In this video, we'll show you what you need to know to start and grow a channel as a creator on YouTube. First, you'll need to start a channel. To do this, here are the steps you'll need to take. First, sign into YouTube using a Google account. Then try any action that requires a channel, such as uploading a video, posting a comment, or creating a playlist. If you don't yet have a channel, you'll see a prompt to create a channel. If you already have a channel and want to create another new one, click on your channel icon, then go to Settings and click Create a New Channel. When it comes to picking your channel name, there's no exact science, but try picking a name that's easy to remember and captures what you want to be known for. Once your channel's created, you have the option to customize it with your own personal branding. First, you can add a profile picture. This is the image that shows on your channel homepage, on your video watch pages, and next to all your comments. So you want people to see it and instantly recognize your channel. You can also add a channel banner. Your banner is the space at the top of your channel. Here you can show what your channel's about and why viewers should subscribe to you. You can put visuals or short snippets of text that highlight what type of content you create. And if you plan on uploading regularly, you can also include your upload schedule here. A channel trailer video and a channel description can also help viewers understand what they can expect if they subscribe. The more complete your channel is, the easier it'll be for viewers to understand what you do and what they'll get to enjoy by watching. You can add or update all of these with the customization page in YouTube Studio. Now that you have your channel set up, you're ready to start uploading videos. Good luck, and thanks for watching!